Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we are going to actually implement the logout route, which will invalidate our session key. This is going to be a very short video because Passport makes this super easy for us. In order to log out, we're just going to do an app.get to /logout, and we're going to do our standard request response. Inside of here, all we have to do is request.logout called as a method, and now we are logged out. And then we just redirect somewhere. res.redirect, we'll go back to the root of the application. And that's it. That is all we have to do to log out. Passport is wonderful, and it gives us this method, which is added to request, meaning that whenever we want to log out, all we do is call that. So let's save it. Let it restart. So right now I am not logged in. So let me go ahead and go to login, test and log in. And now I'm logged in. And now let me go to log out. And now I'm logged out, and it redirected me back to the index page. And that's all there is to it. It's super simple, super easy. That's it for logouts. In this video, we implemented the logout. In the next video, we're going to implement authorization, which will prevent us from actually seeing the account page unless we're authenticated. This will allow us to actually test the logout and the login and that stuff a lot better. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.